4:30 on CITV.
We are sorry to stop your favorite shows for a bit, but we have some important news. If you do not have your parents near you, find them and tell them to look at the TV. A few minutes ago, a big country called Russia started fighting with our country. Russia is very dangerous and they could do some big damage to our country. Because this is very bad, CITV will have to stop showing kids shows for some time. Instead, we will be switching to ITV News in a minute. ITV News will tell you more about the fight between our country and big bad Russia. If you are scared about this, ask your parents and they will explain what is going on better.